Okay. Kanishka, you're muted. Kanishka, you're muted.
Oh, I was just speaking that. Yeah. So I said, uh, welcome everyone. Welcome to the open mic night. Hope everyone is doing good. Today we gathered here to share our apps or content creation projects or maybe anything we are working on. So yeah, we have few people here. How about we go one by one? How about Imtat? You.
Seriously, fine. Okay. Okay, I'll start right out. So maybe yeah. So is it like the people in the thing can hear us? I'm not sure. In the venue WWDC, they can see us now.
Uh, y- yes. Wait, I guess.
Okay.
Uh, yes. So how about you share your screen and have the content creation thing or like the app you have.
Cool. Uh, I thought you'll be sharing the screen, so I just
Oh, yeah.
yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
fine, fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm just opening it. Okay.
I couldn't get all of those, so yeah, that was a problem. All of the slides.
Okay. So I'll just what's the preview? Okay. I hope you all can see the screen now, right? Oh, this is very bad. So hi guys, this is Imtat from India. Uh, this is kind of weird to just talk without knowing where the audience is because the audience is in a different platform. So okay. So I'm from India. I've been working as an iOS developer. I've been working for the Apple platforms for about 4 years now almost. So I actually started with developing for Mac OS, and then eventually shifted to iOS, and then now I'm working back in Mac OS again. So at present I'm working in an app called Mac OS app called Raycast. So I joined the team about 3 4 months ago, and with regards to my indie apps, so I have published two apps on the store. So one of them is Countdown. So and then the next one is Swimbles. Um, so basically, I wanted to do something and publish it on the store, but like everyone, I had this imposter syndrome and like, will we be able to publish anything, something like that. So I just start wanted to push something out in the store which is very simple and minimalistic. So I published an app which just lists all your events in your calendar, just like that. So that was Countdown. And then after pushing that, I pushed it right before the WWDC last year. So I had this idea to make to to solve this problem of SF symbols. Like if you open the SF symbols app, you have to do command shift to C to copy the symbol name. That was the main problem I faced, and from there on I got this idea for symbols. So what basically symbols does is, so I have to open here. So you can select any symbol, and then start directly applying Swift UI modifiers over here. So you can adjust the scale to preview it better. So you can select multicolor symbols as well if you enable this multicolor selection here. Um, so you just select a symbol, start applying modifiers, and you can see the code here as soon as you start designing. So I supported a few modifiers as of now. Um, how it if you might ask me like, oh, what is the difference between this and doing it in Xcode directly. So what I mainly the main problem was copying code. So I can just copy the code here and go and paste it into any of editor of my choice, and it will just work. So let me see, just okay. So it should work. And then uh, it's asking me. Um, and basically, once you are designing some symbol and you see that it is not a right fit, maybe you can just click another symbol and it updates like just like that. So you can select which one fits your design better, and you can copy the code. So at the moment, at present, I support Swift UI and UI kit as well. And since I started working in macOS, I wanted to support AppKit as well, but that is getting harder to get done by. Uh, and with the recent release of Swift SF Symbols beta, I see that there is a lot more work left for me. So there is a lot of additions in this year's app. Uh, Initially, I got a feeling of getting Sherlock. Maybe my app is done because they added this controls over here. But after playing with it a bit, I see that symbols will be even more useful with all those controls, because you can design multiple colors over here and just copy the code. Mm, yeah. So that's a quick presentation about symbols. And so about me, if you want to say like. I've been trying to get active in the social media and promote the app and stuff, but like many people, I'm not so good at it. So I'm just starting out. I'm just I'm just waiting for this thing to spread on its own, maybe, but that will never happen. Uh, we'll see. So I'll after adding a few more features from this year's SF symbols, maybe I'll do more of it. I tried this built-in public thing. I'll post like for few tweets, and then just it doesn't take off from there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, I really like how you created the name with symbols from symbols.
Yeah, symbols. So the name, after I built the app, I was kind of like I started with some other code name, I guess, which I forgot actually now. And then I was looking for a name which captures what the app does. So what the app
Yeah,
basically does is convert your SF symbols to Swift. So
yeah, it's
from
a
there I got
symbol.
Swift plus symbols, SF symbols. So I
Yeah,
ended up with symbols. And it is cool that because whatever app name you have, and when you Google for it, there will be a like million other things which come for that name, right? So
yeah,
once I settled on this name, the first thing I did is that I just Googled for symbols, and nothing came up. So I was like,
yeah,
okay, fine, this is it. And
yeah,
as soon as I started publishing the, initially I went with publishing the beta links. So I got a few testers and then moved from there. So once the beta link was out, and next time I search the symbols, the beta link is the first result. So so
yeah.
the,
That is some
so that
nice
was cool.
creative feeling.
Yeah, yeah. And from then on, whenever I start working on a new app, I was thinking about some cool name, and then I'll eventually decide like, okay, it happens only once. You won't get cool names off, so I'll
Yeah,
just stop. Yeah.
yeah. Uh, so yeah, that was symbols. And next up, we have some interesting sketch markup from Joao, if I'm saying that right. Yeah, uh, you're muted. Okay, because of some technical issue, Joao will join later. But we have Marcel sharing his uh, platform and app experience. So Yes. There's some audio issues. Like even the people are speaking, it's not audible.
Okay, so can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now it's working,
Yeah,
I
it's,
think.
it's I can hear you. I,
Wait. So yeah, how about Marcel goes first, and then Joao? Yeah. Sharing a screen or something. Uh, hello. Am I audible? Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Are you sharing your screen or not? Uh, I can't hear. Oh yeah. Uh, wait. For some reason, you're still not audible. So wait. Till then, how about I take Joao? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, am I audible? Oh no. Okay. So I think I'm doing this. Oh no. Oh.
Something like this or that. We just like to talk to someone that's not us about the options and just kind of bounce ideas up, and they totally approved it and it was totally useful. But I would not shy just because you don't have an app yet or a project done. Just if you have a question where you're like, hey, this would be useful, but in there, worst thing they do is reject your request and you different question.
That being said, if you do have like a bug, it is good to kind of like isolate it just because you only have half an hour. Just if you can find a way to show it easily, I think it's probably better for everyone. You don't need to.
Hey, I'm here. Is it
You
working
have
now?
your sketch. Yes. Yes. I guess you have your sketch markup to share. Something cool coming up. Yeah. So you can share your screen and show wow what you have.
Yeah, that's tricky. I
Me?
mean, the best you could probably do is
Yeah.
the review
Oh, okay.
to try to give
So
them
let's do
some
this.
recommendations. But
Let's see if I can share the entire screen.
So
So I wasn't even planning on doing the open mic thing, but I have some cool sketch concepts that I'm working on. That actually I have worked on and that might become apps someday. Are y'all seeing my screen?
so like he had to get his
Like on Fighter?
to record him airplaying to his Apple TV and showing how the thing works.
Hey everyone. Are you seeing my screen? Oh no, wait.
Get a person who's suddenly interested and asks for it. Yeah,
Okay. So the first app that I'm going to show is called Push. I actually shared it on Twitter, I think, yesterday. I'm not quite sure. And it's basically a nice and well-designed app to help users track push-ups. You know, like push-ups that people do with their hands. Yeah. So that would basically be it. It would use the proximity sensor on the iPhone, and it would track like the movement of the user. Maybe I could even expand it to jump roping. I don't know, with like machine learning or stuff. And this is the concept that I have come up with. And so this push logo is like animated. I don't think I will be able to show it animated though. But it's like animated. It's really cool. Basically that's it. I'm actually planning on integrating it with SharePlay soon if I get to understand how SharePlay works, because it would be a very nice type of group activity, like activity with FaceTime. And that's basically what I have come up with. It was really quick, actually. And then there's another concept called jar, and this one is actually pinned on my Twitter profile. Okay, let me just see. Oh no, where is it? Oh yeah. Okay, so I don't think you know the expression or you say that, but sometimes we just want to put like things in little jars and like keep everything organized. In Portuguese, we even call it like potinho or something like that.
Yeah.
And so I decided to create an app concept that would basically get your ideas all in one little jar, and then each jar would be like an idea, so that
Yeah.
you could like recycle it later and like see what you thought, you know. So there are all those little jars, and it's very skeuomorphic. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that.
Actually,
And
but
each jar, what? Okay. Each jar has like a little circle or ball with right key probably, and each color represents a type of data. So like purple would be text data, orange would be like media, you know, like images and videos, and green, that one would be really cool. It would be like recordings of you talking about your idea, like very quick recording. Sorry. There could be drawings and even more types of data. So that's like what I thought. It was really quick actually, and I created an Xcode project for it and then abandoned it a few days later. So I'm not sure if it's gonna become reality or not. It could sometime, but I'm not really sure. Like this would be an empty jar, and then you like start pouring all those little balls in, and then would
yeah.
be organized in this little grid. Yeah, I think that this could become reality, and it would be a great app. I just needed time to make it. But I'm still trying to decide which will come out first, like jar or push this one. And actually, now I wanted to show the animated logo animated with After Effects. So now you have a quick look over on my desktop. Here's the export project. Okay, so this is the animated logo. It wiggles a bit, and this would be like the whole branding of that because of like movement and stuff. Like now, I can see. Oh my god, no! What did I do? Let's see if I can turn on light mode so that it's more visible. Oh no, didn't work. What a shame. Can you see it though? Like animated and wiggling and stuff. Oh, good.
Actually, we can't see your screen. I don't know. Wait, are you sharing it?
Wait, I am sharing it.
Oh wait, there must be someone. Wait, just a minute. Let me see a technical team. Wait, just give me a minute. Wait.
And now I stopped sharing my screen. Okay, no. Actually now I'm not sharing my screen. I don't know if it worked though. Let's see on Getter. Oh no. Yep, I think it was not working. That's such a shame. Okay, I'll try to go over it again. Let's see.
Like it actually is an example of recurring costs.
And yeah, I just didn't get it. Like, the push is coming from the server.
Can you see it now?
Aren't free.
The thing is, we have some technical issues. The person who's supposed to bring it is kind of unavailable, so I guess that's the issue right now. Just if he doesn't come back, I mean, we won't be able to do that. Just a
Rejection.
wait.
That's so weird, actually. Like screen sharing should be working, right?
Yeah, like it should work, but the thing is, like the host coordinator does that, and the host coordinator is not reachable right now. So that's the issue. Just a minute. Just still trying to reach him, but
Okay, let's test it one more time. Let's see if you can see my screen. Like right now, can you see it?
no, you won't be able to do it unless the coordinator is there.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, and the coordinator is kind of, I don't know, some technical issue right now.
Oh, okay.
So
I guess no open mic night then, or like without showing our screens, that could be open mic somehow.
oh yeah, but it's just that speaking then, no showing.
No, we could actually talk about DubDev and like all of this stuff that's new, like SharePlay
Yeah.
and all the FaceTime features and SwiftUI.
Yeah, those were some really great features. Which is your favorite so far?
I don't know. I think SharePlay is definitely my favorite. I don't know if you guys were able like to understand what I was saying before, but there's this concept of an app, and I could implement SharePlay somehow. I could do like shared workouts so that people could be like all in the same FaceTime call, and they could work out and compete in real time, and that would be a great use case for it. And I really like SharePlay,
Yeah.
and I also like all of the new features of iOS 15. Though I haven't, I don't know. Safari is still weird for me. Are you on iOS 15, Kanishka?
No, it's a big risk. Like the bugs are risky, so not right now. After this version is stable, I'll get.
No, I actually just put it on my iPhone, and like God does its thing, Like if it goes wrong, it goes wrong.
Yeah.
But Safari is weird. Safari is really weird. Like I can barely use it. It's like on the bottom now, and you do the swiping to like change pages. I mean, I can see how it's more productive, but it's difficult.
Yeah. Wait, before that, we have someone else. I mean, join the stream. Wait, can someone add Marshall in? Wait, just a minute. We have a big technical mishap right now.
We do, but the show must go on.
Yeah, it must go on. Yeah, and we also, I checked the WWDC challenges thing. There's the thing where you make a project and upload it to the forum, and literally nobody did that. Like, so far, literally nobody uploaded a project.
No, I think one person did it though. I know that there's a hashtag that you can put on Twitter and then like to share your product, your project. The Swift UI one seems to be really cool, but I haven't got near to it, which is a shame because I should have. But it's life. But I'm very interested. I think that the new Swift UI canvas thing is really cool.
Yeah, that too. And that reminds me, I'm also working on a WWDC, that thing, the challenges thing. There is this thing that you make a quiz on how well do you know me in Swift Playgrounds.
Yeah. It's on Swift Playgrounds, right?
Yeah. Wait, so we have Marshall back in stream. Yeah, the technical is done. Yeah.
Am I audible? Audible? Okay, thank you. So
share your screen, and we can see your app.
I will share a little bit of my design for app. Okay. Wait a minute. Can you see my screen now? Uh, can you see my screen now? Anyone can see my screen? Or wait a minute. Hello,
No,
everyone.
it's not showing up.
Okay, it's not
I think
showing
we
up.
have big technical issues.
Okay. How is it? Yeah. Can you see? Or not? Yeah. Excuse me.
No, you can't. We can't. The thing is, there's a tech. As I said, yeah, the coordinator is kind of
Ah.
offline, so we can't. But I mean, we can discuss what was your favorite feature that they launched in WWDC 21? Like, what's your favorite one so far?
Okay, the feature that I like is going to code for in iPad. That's actually insane for me because there I can doing for another talks going to just in iPad, so I can going to drag anything of the buttons or even the icons going so easily rather than
Yeah,
in MacBooks or iMac. So that's what probably so good. And then the secondly is FaceTime share.
yeah,
Now that's
definitely.
that's a really efficient. That's a very efficient, which all the developers can probably using for the Macs or anything the device from the Apple. So that would probably easier for us to share with them about our projects, with our movies, or even to anything. What can we share so for them? So that's probably so insane for me.
Yeah, definitely. Everyone likes that the share free thing.
Yeah, because we are in the pandemic, and then also we are going to from work from home also. So that's for very great. Good
Yeah.
job, Apple.
Yeah. Also, they have that one thing where uh, you can also access that on Android or through
Yeah.
web. So I mean, that's really a big thing because now anyone can from any device can join that.
Yeah, that's the cool because the fact I'm from Indonesia and not many the user from the Apple, and then many people using Androids and then using Windows for their daily drivings. So that's will be the challenge if we will use for the fast time or anything else. So with the new features that can also uh, access from the web, so that will be great for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Have you installed any beta version yet?
Excuse me?
The beta versions they have for
No.
download. It's
For
yeah.
what was the download? I can hear for just a little bit.
Wait. Now.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, every year I think that I will install the beta version, but then I always remember that it's still risky. And like, what if it goes wrong? And if you put this on your primary device and you can't use it, then it's always kind of a risk to.
No.
I mean, it depends. Like sometimes they are very stable, and sometimes no, it is not. Like
Mm, actually, I always download it for sure, and then going to the renew every years, so that's good.
yeah, like I remember that this one this happened. I installed it on my dad's primary device. And so he's a
Yeah.
lawyer, so the call or that thing goes wrong, you just can't. He can't call his clients or do like that because like you got the hearings and everything. Like that was the biggest mistake installing beta on dad's phone because then the
Yeah, the bugs is sometimes like, oh my god, how's happened right now? That's a
yeah,
big question. So I hope there's no more bugs for this.
yeah
And
bugs.
then
Yeah, they're kind of weird.
kind of it. So what else now?
Yeah, and yeah, the Mac.
Hmm?
People were so debating over what the new name of Mac OS will be, and then they
Yeah,
introduced the the monitor, if I'm saying that right.
yeah, the Monterey,
Yeah,
Monterey, Monterey. I can't say.
Yeah, and the explosive now that we have the symbols up there. Like, yeah,
Yeah.
that is really the new UI and how they make the Git integration very easy.
And then what I like for from the Apple, they always consistent for the name, the name they give name for their Mac OS for sure. That's from
Yeah,
Sierra, and then uh, going to be right now Monterey.
yeah.
That's great.
Then last it was Big Sur. Before that, it was
Yeah,
Catalina. Like,
Pixel.
so creative
Always
naming,
going to be in the mountain. Huh? Excuse me?
creative naming, like how they come up with names from those places in
Yeah,
California.
that's the Californian mountains. So that's will be great for knowing because they are
Yeah,
in America.
yeah, yeah.
This will probably like I will develop my own software, so I will give the name from the mountain in Indonesia. Surely.
Yeah, just naming.
Get,
I
get,
don't know who got this concept of naming to mountains. Like,
no.
except Apple, there is no one who does that.
I thought that the mountain is going to be higher, so the vision of the apple is
Uh,
going to be higher too.
yeah, yeah, that too. But like, then there's Windows who names like Vista or like based on
Yeah.
number, Windows 7, then Windows 8. And then Linux have like Kali Linux and then Arch names like that. But then Apple is
It
completely different,
mm,
just mountain names.
completely. It's really completely different. So the winner's going to be stuck like 4 years or maybe 5 years. I don't think so. But in the Macs, every year I got the renew design, renew software, and then it's going to be like the previous within 2 years maybe. I forgot they launched for the Create ML. So that will really help us for uh, the machine learning engineer to help the actual what I mean, like we can easily to train our models, and then we have to try the models for the accuracy itself. So that's great job.
Yeah, yeah. And there are like so many, that reminds me, like there's so many
Yeah,
sessions going on right now on the developer website.
yeah.
Like, and those are like very detailed and they post a project, like they post a demo project, like, man, whenever you don't even need to follow tutorial. The sessions are so
Mm,
informational.
yeah. Yes, that's great. But there's many people going to be said like the 7th June before that we are expected that the M1X or M2 will be the release, but it's all the software
Yeah.
updates. Is that the same for you?
Yeah, there was a big, disappointment that they didn't release the
Yeah.
M2. Like, everyone was sad, and they posted on Twitter that no M2 was there.
But I thought that it's a great step for Apple because they just launched for the iMac, so it will probably like giving time for the trying for the iMacs and then going launch for the MacBook Pro and then also the 16-inch MacBook Pros with
Yeah,
M2 and also
yeah,
today not today but I mean yeah 2 days ago I was receive I was receive the entrance test for the Apple Developer Academy in Indonesia.
yeah,
So that will probably like in the next year I will join with the Apple Developer Academy. So they will get the new. I mean, I will get if I accept. I hope it will be accept. So I will get the new iPhone and then all the new of MacBook Pro also. So that will probably so great with free. It's given for free. So I will be waiting for M2 or M1X. That so will
yeah.
be great.
Um,
So like that.
yes,
And also I'm just imagine
wait.
that uh, I'm going struggling. I'm going struggling right now with the developer who use for the React Native or the Flutter itself, because the Swift UI from the iOS is kind of be like underestimate with the people in my country, this case in my country, not in other country. So they really appreciate with the React Native and Flutter, but the Swift UI is never been like appreciated so much. So that's make me sad
Yeah.
instead of making an application in Swift UI.
But
So
what do you prefer? Like, what's your first choice?
I would prefer both of them because if we can make from the React Native, but we don't understand from the real code in iOS, I mean like in Apple environment, so there will be like a different code or different logic from it.
Yeah.
I was learned about how the Swift language going to build, so that will be like so much difference, is it?
Yeah. Yeah. And Joe, I have a question for you. Which framework do you use? Swift UI or UI? First preference. Oh, for some reason you're not audible. Wait. Okay, reloading. Yeah, just reloading right now. We have almost here like 1 hour. Like we almost spent like an hour on this. Like it says 56 minutes and some seconds. Yeah, so we must wrap up then.
Yeah,
Wrap up
so
soon.
wrap up.
Yeah. Wait, like 2 hours.
But actually, I will tell something that I'm still struggling for using the AR,
Yeah.
struggling for using the AR. So I just learned for the AR in uh, the Swift itself, the Xcode. So I will try to make it better. That's so
Yeah, yeah.
complicated.
It is complicated. Yeah, and especially that the first thing is that it's hard to test. So, like you code it and then you have to run it on your phone every time. So like
No.
there's always this time thing like you then write it, code it, like test it on phone. Like it
Yeah.
takes a lot of time to test it. I think.
Yeah. I will try to use phone and then go into the iPad. So that's probably
Yeah.
the best answer.
I mean a weird thing like whenever I test my AR kit,
Hmm?
there's the cable I use whenever I connect it, it it connects it and then not connects it, connects it, not
Yeah.
connects it. So it's so hard to test it with the cable. Like I don't know, and if I do that with Bluetooth, there's another problem because
Sure.
Bluetooth takes more time. So yeah,
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
takes time to test air. That's my complaint.
Okay. And then I also curious with the Apple Watch, the new Apple Watch feature that's going to be shake and then this going to be going to the next icon. That's so really cool. Like you're going to be like uh, going to slide in your hand, but in your Apple Watch going to be detect to get another uh, icon. That's so really good.
Yeah, yeah, I know, right? Uh, wait, so I guess we can wrap up the show. I mean, it's been an hour and
Yeah.
people put the app and we talked about iOS. So yeah, for whoever is listening, hope you have a good WWDC.
Hmm.
Hey,
Yeah.
attend, everyone attend the launches and sessions. Have fun.
Yeah. Having fun, right? And
Yeah,
then, anyways, it said open mic night, but in here it's a day, so it will be open mic day.
yeah, that's cute. I mean, it's on the time zones. Everyone is joined right now. They have
Uh,
days.
GMT 7.
Yeah, like
I mean
we
GMT
intended it.
7.
Like I mean, yeah, as Joao said, it is open mic night somewhere right now. Like
Yeah, in
and
America for sure.
yeah, yeah. But yeah, we have another open mic night on Thursday. So if anyone can join, they can just sign up for it.
Yeah, it's
But yeah,
difficult.
yeah, let's wrap up the show and hope everyone have a good day. So,
Haha. Sure.
bye.
Bye.
Bye.